Oil maintenance is a very important factor you should consider when purchasing any piece of equipment that is exposed to extreme working conditions. Plate compactors are one such application, and the Ammann APF 1540, powered by Vanguard, is one of them. Most importantly, the engine comes with 200-hour oil change intervals, which are double the industry standard. This means you'll have to change your oil half as often as with other engines. The Vanguard engine also features a larger and easily accessible high-mount oil fill port on the rocker cover, making oil changes a lot easier. The automotive-style dipstick makes checking oil level both straightforward and fast. In other words, fewer and easier maintenance means less hassle for you, resulting in lower total cost of ownership and reduced environmental impact during maintenance.